Hi there. I understand that a number of people had trouble getting into the meet that was scheduled for Tuesday, the optional Q&A session. And we've done a little investigation, and there are a couple of different reasons for this. So, first of all, to make a complicated day work, I decided that I could do the meeting from my phone in my car, which I will not do for any of the other meetings. So that is part of the problem. The other issue is that I had created the meeting with one of my accounts, but when I was joining the meeting today, I joined it with the other account. So I didn't quite realize that I was in the meeting as a guest rather than an organizer. So that was on me, and that's my fault. But I'm going to pass this to you as some guidance for you. You know how we all have so many different identities? When you are running something, before you do it, sign out of all of your accounts and then sign into the right one. So it happens. I'm sorry about that. Now, there's another issue, and this will come up for you in the future probably. So I'm going to explain it from the teacher point. So, I came back to improving collaboration, and I see about a cajillion messages that I couldn't get in. Oh no, Christine and I talked about it. We did a little research, and here is what the issue is. Okay, so I created this event in Calendar. I had actually originally made the live webinar, and then I used Duplicate so that it saved the same link and it saved the same participants. So I'm going to go into the one that was for today, and I'm going to edit it to show you what it looks like. Now you see there are a bunch of guests here. So here's where the problem is. I invited people before all of you were in Google Classroom. So I used the email that you gave to the MTA and the email that you put in the entry survey. So some of you might have gotten two if you'd done a different email, those two places. So I pasted all of those emails into the guests. So you probably, over the weekend, got an invitation to join this. However, many of you joined Classroom with a different email than you originally gave me. So I'm going to keep these emails here because it doesn't hurt to have an extra. And I'm now going to use a feature which I would like to teach you about. It's very useful. So every Google Classroom that you have is actually a group in your calendar. So the name of this class starts with improving. So I'm just going to, in my guest list, type improving. Oh, look here. So I have improving communication and collaboration. Now, I know from experience that one of these is the teacher and one is the student. I don't remember which is which, so I'm just going to click both of them. So I'm going to do the first one here, and then I'm going to do it again. Improving, add the second one here. Okay. Now I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. And then you can see improving communication. So now all of the email addresses that are in the classroom are invited to this meeting. And what should happen on the next meeting is that you click in and it doesn't ask you for an invitation. And then the other thing is I am going to promise that I will not be logged in my other email account, and I will be sitting at my desk. And so if you do have problems, I will be able to accept it. So I apologize for anybody who had some stress, but I hope that your stress has given us an opportunity to learn something that will help us with our kids. So a good tech tip to share with all of your students is always sign out of all of your other accounts if you're using a shared device, because these multiple accounts wreak havoc on things. Okay, so I'm going to save this invite, and it's going to ask me so it says this event, this and all following events. So I'm going to change it to this and all following events. Okay. And then it's going to ask me if I want to send out new emails. I don't actually, because you already have something on there. This can just stay hidden. So I'm going to say don't send. And then do I want to invite external guests? And it's saving it. So hopefully the next time we have this, it will work better. And hopefully this has been a good learning opportunity for you folks. Take care. Bye-bye.